Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Lizzie. If you're just tuning in for the first time, if this is your first time of watching my videos, of being here, please subscribe, like and share. And for returning subscribers, I really love you guys so much. So today I'm going to be showing you how I was able to tie this gele. If this video helps you in any way, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share. I love you guys so much. I love it when you subscribe, I love it when you like, I love it when you share my videos. Thank you all so much. So first off, I'm going to be folding the edges of her gele so that the edges don't show when I place it on her head, and then I'll be placing the gele on her head from the back then towards the front. After placing it from the back towards the front, you just have to bring it towards the front and then knot the gele. While doing this, you have to tell your model to hold the sides of the gele so that everything does not unravel. By it unraveling, I mean everything does not remove. And then the rule for this particular gele today is 80-20. One hand of your gele has to really be longer than the other hand of your gele, as you can see in this video right now. So you can make the longer hand to be at the right hand side or the left hand side, and you can do the same for the other side. So it's just vice versa. The trick for this particular gele is if the long hand side of your gele is by the left, facing this video right now, the longer side of my gele is by the left. If yours is by the left, you have to take the gele clockwise and not anti-clockwise. If you take it anti-clockwise, you won't get the shape I am getting right now. You won't get the style. So you just have to take it clockwise so that it will be able to give you this style. And then after doing that, you have to make sure that you make pleats so that the beauty of the gele comes out. Then after doing that also, you just twist the end part of the gele and then pin it at the back. It's not difficult at all. It's very easy. Believe me guys, it's very easy. You just have to take your gele clockwise. Then after bringing it towards the front, make pleats. After making your pleats, twist the end of the gele, take it towards the back and pin it. It is not difficult at all. So guys, I'll just be doing the same thing I did with the other hand, which is the longer hand of my gele. The difference is this particular hand is going to be shorter than the first hand I made. So I'm just going to make pleats first. I'm just going to arrange my pleats properly and then take it on top. The first one I did, if you can see clearly guys, is on top. I'm placing it. I'm just going to place it on top the first one that I did, and then make sure that I pin it. In pinning, you have to pin properly so that your gele does not unravel. So at this point, guys, I'm just arranging the pleats properly so that the shape actually comes out the way that I want it to and the way it is in the thumbnail. You guys know that the pleats of a gele is the beauty of the gele. So you really need to just take your time and arrange your pleats properly, because whatever you do might just alter what the gele actually is. So you have to take your time in making sure that you arrange the pleats properly so that it gives you the exact shape that you want it to. Another important part of this gele is the edge. This part that I'm holding right now, the edge. What you have to do is to make sure that you bend the edge of the gele inside so that it doesn't come out sharp. It doesn't come out too sharp. You just have to bend it inside so that the shape comes out well. It comes out nice. So just make sure, guys, that you don't forget to bend the edge of the long hand side of your gele and of the right hand side of your gele. This is very important. And if you notice, after doing that, the shape comes out better. So guys, please don't forget. I'm just going to be doing the same thing for the long hand side and for the right hand side. If you've not watched my previous videos on how to tie gele, please do that, guys. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, if you've not liked, if you've not commented, if you've not shared my videos, guys, please do that. I really love it when you guys do that. I love it because I can grow, and it will make me feel like you guys are actually understanding what I'm doing and you love what I am doing. If you've been having difficulties in tying gele, please watch my previous videos because it's really going to help you. I have most of the trending geles on my channel. I love you guys so much. This is what the end of the gele, this is what everything should look like, and that is what the back of your gele should look like. If you want it to be covered, it can still be covered. If your gele is very big, you can still cover it up. I love you guys so much. I do hope that this tutorial was helpful. If it was, don't be shy to thumbs me up, subscribe, like and share, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.